So today I'm going to be reviewing this starry projector light, and I'm going to be unboxing it and telling you all the wonderful things about this and why I love it. Absolutely love it. So once you open up the box, the first thing that you'll find is the manual, user guide, and then you have the USB cord to use to charge it, and then you do have the remote control to use to control it. This is what the projector looks like. It's in the shape of a spaceship. Very nice. One thing I love about this projector is this projector has a multicolor nebula cloud. It has a 10 planet pattern, adjustable brightness. The brightness ranges from 4 different brightness modes: 15%, 40%, 70%, and 100%. It does come with Bluetooth, so you can see my Bluetooth is connected. Okay, I'm gonna play my music now for my phone. And it also comes with a speaker, music speaker, and it supports 12 constellations, 10 night light options, and 10 planet mode. So this is absolutely wonderful. So this is like the cover for the light area. So this is what the constellation looks like. It's very vibrant, very beautiful. So overall, I love this projector, and I love that it's so multi-purpose and to be a wonderful gift for a child, even for an adult. Absolutely love it.